Welcome students. In this lecture we'll be studying about double bar graph. Okay, so exactly same what we did. Let's see, it's a question number 14 in my textbook. This is the question in front of you. From a survey, the following data shows the favorite time pass activity of man and women. Okay, draw the double bar graph representing the data. So watching TV, reading books, listening to music, gardening, crafting. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 activities. So the name of the activities will come on the x-axis. Okay. And the height of a bars. For man, it's something different. Women will be different. Okay. 9 men likes watching TV, whereas 15 likes women's like watching TV over here. For reading books, men's are 19 and women's are 6 and so on. So we need to have a double bar graph, or the other word for it is double column graph. Okay. So let's see all of you how to do it. And as we know that always the name of the activity for which these numbers are given, watching TV, reading books, listening to the music, gardening, the crafting, the subject is always written on the x-axis. So see here students, I have drawn for you all just an x-axis over here. This is my x-axis and here it's my y-axis. Okay. Now what is the highest value you can see, which you have to plot of course on the y-axis? What highest value you can see here? I can see for the men the highest value is 19. Okay. And for the women it's 30. So let's consider the highest value of the entire graph will be 30. So how to plot 30 over here? Okay. Pay attention please here. Now, if I have to plot the 30 over here, if I start from here, okay. Now, if I say that it's one block is of 1, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 only will come. It will not fit. I have to fit this 30 over here. So the best thing is I'll go with 5. I'll go with 5. Okay. So this means I'm deciding that the scale, that is the height of 2 centimeter box. This is 2 centimeter box. So 2 centimeter is equal to 5 units on y-axis. And here so I will write the names. This watching TV, reading books and all. Okay. So scale I decided as 5 centimeter please. Let me write it very quickly over here. Scale. 2 centimeter is equal to 5 units. Okay. On y-axis. On y-axis. Of course we always deal with the y-axis scale only. Because in x-axis we don't have to worry at all. We just write the names. Okay. So now I will write here. This will be my 5. This will be 10. Okay. 5, 10. Then so on. 15. 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. 25. And max will go till 30. I'll write one more till 35. Okay. Now listen very carefully. There is the one easier way to handle it. See this. I have to draw double column bar graph. Means watching TV mein there will be 2 bars. Reading books mein there will be 2 bars. Man, woman. Listening music mein there will be 2 bars. First complete one entity. ठीक है. Watching TV में first I will draw watching TV के लिए man. Reading books का man. First let's complete one row for the man only. Okay, so men for watching TV, it's 9, right? Okay, so I'm drawing now watching TV for men, it's 9. Now let's pay attention here. How to do it, please? I'm starting over here. Okay, before that, okay, one very important thing I want to discuss. Pay attention here. I forgot to discuss one important thing. See here, I told you, hope it's very clear to you all. I told you that 2 centimeter is 5 units. Okay, 2 centimeter is 5 units. Now pay attention, please pay attention. That means the height of this block, which is 2 centimeter, it has how many lines? Can you clearly see? There are 10 lines over here. 10 small lines here. There are 10 small lines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we told it as 5 units. We told it as 5 units. So 5 units means 10 lines. 5 units means 10 lines. So can I say 2 lines? 2 lines is equivalent to 1 unit. Yes. 2 line represents 1 unit. अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो अगर आपको एक यूनिट आगे ऊपर जाना है, कोई बोलता है प्लॉट करो 6, तो 5 के ऊपर एक ऊपर जाना है, तो यू विल टेक 2 लाइन्स. 2 लाइन्स मेक्स 1 यूनिट. सो दैट्स द रीजन if I multiply both the sides with 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 5 twos becomes 10, so 10 lines becomes 5 units. It's like that. So you should know this before starting, that because we have 10 lines here, 2 lines represents 1 unit. Okay, back to our question. Okay, please see here. I have to draw first this man in watching TV 9. Okay, so pay attention here, please. Watching TV is 9. This is 10. And I know that 2 lines means 1 unit. Okay, so I have to select 9. So 9 means I will come 2 lines down. Okay, I will come down 2 lines because 2 line means 1 unit. Okay, so here I'll mark over here 9. This is 9. Okay, with the blue color I am marking with the men. Okay, then first I'll mark for all the men. It depends upon you. Okay, depends upon you how you feel it's comfortable. Then reading books for men is 19. Reading book for men is 19. Okay, listen here very carefully. Now please pay attention here. The second block over here will be for women. Okay, see, this was for men, and what I have marked over here, this is for watching TV, right? Okay, so this is for watching TV. Okay, watching TV. For watching TV, man is here and woman will be here. This will be a blank. This will be a blank, and once again here will be men and woman. This will be a blank. Once again, men, woman. This will be a blank. Men, woman. This will be a blank. Okay, men, woman. And total we have how many things? We have total 5 different entities. Watching TV. Then we have reading books. Reading books. Then we have listening to music. Listening to music. Listening to music. Then I have gardening. And then we have crafting. And this will be blank only. Okay, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, and man, woman. Okay, first I decided that I will go with all the men's key entries. So reading books for man is 19. Okay, so now I'll draw reading books for men. Is 19. So 19, this is 20. This is 20, but 19 means I have to come down 2 lines, because 2 lines means 1 unit, as I told you here. I explained you here. Okay, so here it's 19. Let me draw it very quickly. Okay, now I think so you all can manage. Pause the video please and draw it for all the men's. Fast, all of you. So here we go, students. I have marked the entries for all the men's. Okay, watching TV, reading books, listening music, gardening, crafting. This is the case. Okay, now let's move ahead for the women part. See here please. Watching TV, women is 15. Okay, so now with the red color pen, I'll be drawing watching TV, which is 15. Okay, 15. So this is 15 over here. First, I'll highlight this stroke here and I'll join this. Okay, this is for women. And next I have is 6 reading books. You can take the screenshot if you don't have this textbook. 6 for reading books for women. 6. Okay, so this is the blank. Reading 6. This is 5 and 2 and 1 unit means 2 lines. So I need to go till 6, right? 6 means 2 lines. It will make 1 unit. Okay, so likewise we can proceed. Pause the video please and do it fast, all of you. Okay, one more thing students. It's strictly prohibited to write anything on the graph paper, including scale, including this name of the axis, including I forgot to even write the name of the axis. Even this I wrote here, but here it's what over here, the number of people over here we should write. Everything it should be pencil. It's prohibited to write anything with the pen, nor the graph, nor the numbers, nor the axis, drawing of axis, nor the scale. You should not touch pen on this graph paper, please. But why I am doing it with the different colors? So that in video you can see it very clearly. Okay, let's continue and draw for all the women. Fast, pause the video, please. The next one is slightly important. That's why this 23, women for listening music is 23. Okay, I want you all to show this one. Okay, see this please, 23. So listening music, this is here 20. Okay, now 23. Now we know that 2 lines, if I go ahead, I'll just cross 1 unit. I want to reach 23. This is 20, right? This is 20 for me, 23. If I move 2 lines ahead, this is 21. More 2 lines ahead, if I go, it's 22. More 2 lines ahead if I go, and this will be my 23, please. Okay, or you can even think like this, 20, if you come behind from 25. So 23 is 2 units less than 25. Okay, so 2 units less means 4 lines less than 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. And this is 23. Pause the video please and complete fast. Okay students, so here we go. I have drawn everything. This man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman, man, woman. Just to distinguish, I have taken 2 different colors. As I told you, it's strictly prohibited to do anything with the pen. So how will you distinguish between the 2? Okay, now you can shade any one of them. So I am deciding to shade this man wala bar like this. Okay. And then drawing of index is compulsory. What do I mean by index? See here you will write after the scale. See, this you will not do. This is for your explanation. I can write here index, and in that you can write like this: an empty block and a shaded block. Shaded block means men. Okay, and empty block means women. So here the empty block means women. It's compulsory, yeah. Then only we can recognize who is man and who is woman, and shaded means it's men. So students, by this we complete our question over here. Okay, pause the video please and do it fast, and then let's proceed to the next question. Okay students, the next question, the same, we have to draw double bar graph. The question is in front of you. Deliberately I selected this question. Following table shows the population of 2 cities in lakhs in various years. Okay, so these numbers are population. So you have to write, okay, very carefully, and always the digits, the quantities we represent on the y-axis. Okay, the following table shows the population of 2 cities, okay, in lakhs in various years. So these years 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 will come as the header, the name on the x-axis. Draw the double bar or graph representing this: city X and city Y. In the previous sum we did man and woman, so here it's like city X and city Y. Okay, so let's do it for all of you, and you should think about it that it should accumulate in your graph. Okay, let's start all of you. So what I have done, I have taken this x-axis and the y-axis here. The main important thing is the scale. Very important. What is the highest value you can see? For the city X, the highest value what I can see is 4.4. It's so less. Okay, so now but that double tension is the precision, yeah, decimal points how to fit. And for city Y, the highest point I can see is the 4.3. So basically in the entire graph, this 4.4 is highest. Okay, so what will I go for? I'll go for, I think so, that 1 block as 1 unit. See what I am trying to say. First let me write over here, scale 2 centimeter means the 1 box is equal to 1 unit. 1 unit on y-axis. Yes, just 1 unit. What do I mean by that? See here, please. Pay attention, please. See here. This is my 1 box. Okay. And I'm saying that the value of this 1 box is 1 unit. Now you can see clearly there are small lines over here in between. Hope it's very clear to you all. See this, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 10 lines. There are 10 lines over here. So 1 unit corresponds to 10 lines. Okay, so who will correspond to one line? One line क्या हो जाएगा? If 10 line corresponds to 10 lines corresponds to 1 unit. So one line will corresponds to how much? 0.1 unit, right? Exactly. See, if I multiply this by 10 and this also by 10, so 0.1 tens gives me 1 unit, and 1 into 10 gives me 10 lines. Okay, so one line, one small line is equivalent to 0.1 unit, and we want points, decimals. So this will be perfect for us. So 2 centimeters equals to 1 unit on y-axis. Okay, let us write fast, all of you, over here. So this I'll write here. This will be my 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Max to max it will go till 5. Okay, then as I always tell you that first there are two things here, two columns, two bars, one for city X and other for city Y. I prefer always to first draw all the things for city X and then come to city Y. Okay, so now for city X, pay attention please, all of you. For city X, okay, in 2011, the first year, it's 2.7. For city X, it's 2.7. I'm drawing it, okay. So see here please, all of you. So for city X, first, it's 2.7. 0.7, see here, 0.1 will correspond to one line. One small line is 0.1. I have to draw 2.7 please. Okay, so with the blue color I'm drawing first with the city X, 2.7. See here please, this is 2. Hope you can see this clearly. This is 2. 2.7. And one small line means 0.1. One line means 0.1. So I have to go 2.7 means 7 small lines. This is 2. This is 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 6 and 7. This is the case. Hope it's clearly visible to you all. It's 2.7 now. Okay. So let me draw it. Okay. And this will be for city X. Of course, there will be a comparison. Okay. In the year 2011, right? 2011. So here it's for 2011. Here let me write. This is for 2011. 2011. I'll leave a blank here. A blank here. And for here it will be 2012. I'll leave a blank here. Okay. This will be for 2011. This will be for 2012. This will be for 2013. I'll leave a blank here. This will be for 2014. I'll leave a blank here. This will be for 2015. And my years are till 2016. Okay. So this will be for 2016. Okay. This will be for 2016. And this is a blank. Okay. And the scenario will be, I'll go like this. This is for city X. This is for city Y. City X, city Y. City X, city Y. City X, city Y. Okay. This will be for city X. This will be for city Y. City X, city Y. It will be like this. Okay. So these are the years. The heading, the name of this axis will be years. Okay. And then writing the name is compulsory over here also. It's what? Population in lakhs. Population in lakhs. Okay. So, all of you, see here please. This is population in lakhs. Now, first I did, see here, 2.7 I did here. I marked here for city X. I marked here 2.7, 2011. Now, I'll first continue with all the city X. I'll mark every dimension. First, I'll do 3.5, 2012 ke liye, right? For city X only. First, I'll draw for city X only. 2012, it's 3.5. 3.5, city X. Okay. So, 2012, here it is. And it is 3.5 for city X. See, this is for Y. I'll leave this blank. I'll have to do it afterwards. And this is the blank which I'll leave. And this is for city X. It's 3.5. So, this is my 3. And 5. 3.5. So, what will be 3.5? Matlab 5 small lines, because one line is 0.1 units. So 3.5 means 5 small lines. So it will reach till here. Okay. It will reach till here. 3.5. Okay. So let's do it this is 3.5. Okay, this is 3.5. Okay, now I think so you all can manage it fast. Okay, just remember this, that one small line, if you go ahead, it's 0.1. Okay, let's do it very quickly for all the city X measurements. Do it fast. So here we go. I have marked for all the city X. Okay, now let's do very quickly. Now it's very simple, although now for city Y, pay attention. City Y is the next one. 2011 it's 2.8. Let me do it only just one for you all. 2.8 for 2011 city Y. Okay, so 2011 is here. City Y, it's 2.8. With the red color pen I'll do 2.8 means 8 lines up. Okay, so it's basically 2 lines less than 3. 2.8. Okay, this is like this. Please start on doing it. This is the blank. Here it will come for city Y, blank, and so on. Please pause the video and do it fast, all of you. It's exactly same. Yeah, students, see here please. I have drawn everything. But as I told you, it's strictly prohibited to do anything with the pen. Completely, the names, the X's, everything should be with the pencil. So we'll just highlight with shade any one of the bar. With city X, I'll shade it like this, please. Okay, and it's compulsory to draw the index. What I mean by index, the person who will read the graph should know, okay, what is this shaded part. Okay, so here this is just for your explanation. You will not do in exam. Of course, you can write when you will draw it in the book as your notes. Okay, now index. Index, what it will be? One box here and one box here. As I have taken this city X always with the shaded part. So shade, we have to shade it, and this is city X, and without shade it's city Y. Students, it's compulsory, because person who will read the graph will not know that what is the shaded part and what is this unshaded part. Okay, so by this we complete our graph. Please all of you pause the video, please all of you, and do it fast.